Welcome to the iMobie support channel. Do your recordings contain long silent pauses or filler words like or ah? Don't worry, no need to re-record. Today, I'll show you how to remove them easily using FocuSee. Let's get started. First, download and install FocuSee from the official iMobie website. Make sure your computer has a stable internet connection during installation. Once the installation is complete, launch FocuSee. After launching FocuSee, you can record a new video or import an existing one. Once your video is loaded, you'll be taken directly to the editing interface. On the left panel, click Smart Cut. This feature automatically detects silent gaps and filler words in your audio. Next, choose your video's language, or let FocuSee auto-detect it. Then click Start Recognition. FocuSee will analyze your audio and mark all silent segments and filler words in the transcription. Each detected segment is highlighted, so you can review it easily. The Delete button shows how many segments are selected for removal by default. Once you've confirmed your selection, click Delete. FocuSee will instantly remove all selected silent gaps and filler words. After processing, the delete count will change to 0, indicating everything has been cleaned up. If you want to focus only on the remaining segments, click the filter icon to hide deleted parts. You can also click Reset to undo all edits and return to the original recognition results. And that's it. With FocuSee's Remove Silence and Fillers feature, you can polish your videos in minutes and deliver cleaner, more engaging content. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips.